said, "Whoa, might as well call me daddy." Am I right? Come on.
Oh no, I'm seeing the vision on this one. Where's she from?
She's from. Oh my god, Kitachi na. Oh my god, it's Japan. Oh my god.
No, I'm seeing the vision.
Kitachi Juku.
Tell her, do you know Black Boy Max?
Hey, what's up? You in Japan right now? Hold on, let me see my text. FaceTime?
Yeah. Yep. You know the drill. All right, guys. You'll know it.
Hold on. DD. D&D. Yo, hello? Yo, what's up?
Yeah. Hello?
What you doing?
I'm still rotting in bed.
You said what?
I can't tell if you're being serious or not.
I'm being serious. Wait, can I see you or?
No fear.
That's okay. Look, some like you don't need to have makeup on. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Are you down to pull up?
Maybe.
Alright, well, just text me and let me know. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet.
Okay.
Alright, peace.
Good night. Bye.
Night. Hold up.
I'm looking at a different woman.